In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the WebStarts email marketing app. I've logged into my WebStarts account and I scroll down and I click on email marketing. If this is the first time that you click on the email marketing app, you'll be asked to choose an email marketing plan. I've already completed that step and now I'm in the Manage Email Marketing view. With the email list tab selected, I can view a list of my email lists. I have contacts, customers, default, and members. Default is automatically created when you create a WebStarts account. So if you never specify an email list where you want your subscribers to go to, let's say when they fill out a form, then they'll automatically be added to a list with the name default. If you're using the membership app in WebStarts, those people or subscribers are automatically added to the members list. I've created two other lists here, one called contacts, where I put people or subscribers into when they complete a form on my website, and then I've created another list called customers, and these are people that have already signed a contract with me and given me money. You can add a new list by clicking on the Add List button. You can name your list whatever you want. You can also enter a specific from, name, and email address for your list. Looking over here to the right of the list, you'll see three dots. When you click on that, you'll be able to view your subscribers, edit your list properties, or delete a list. We're going to look at View Subscribers, so I click on that. Here I can search for a specific subscriber using the search field. I can filter it by using the status field, and I can choose to export my subscribers to use elsewhere. Here you'll see a column that specifies the date that they subscribed. You'll see the email address along with the list name they belong to, and then a status tab. When I click that active, you'll see it will turn to inactive, and that subscriber would no longer receive one of my emails. I'm going to go ahead and reactivate it by clicking it again. And then to the right of each subscriber, you'll see three more little dots. And if you click Edit, you'll be able to edit even further information about that specific subscriber. You can even specify if you'd like that subscriber to belong to multiple lists or just one specific list. If you ever want to move a subscriber from one list to another, all you need to do is select the list you want to move them to and unselect the list that you no longer want them to belong to. Here I can page through my various subscribers, and that's it for subscribers. Let's take a look at composing your first email. Clicking on the Compose tab, I can choose to send my email to either my customers, contacts, any of the lists that I previously created. I can also give my email a subject line, of course. And here is what's called a substitution code. If I've gathered, let's say, the first name of a person, anywhere that I enter that substitution code will be replaced by the person's first name. So it's kind of a nice customization feature. Here, of course, I can type an email just like I normally would, and I have some HTML tools here, like I can change my font and I can change the font size, so on and so forth. And if I ever want to create an HTML email, I can do that. I just need to paste the HTML in the source code area and click OK. Once you've created your email, so let's just do a test here. You can click on test and then enter an email address that you would like a test email sent to. You click on preview and that'll show you what your email looks like. And you can click send and proceed to sending the email. If you do this, you'll be asked whether you'd like to send the email immediately or schedule it at a specific time. So you can schedule it at any date in the future or time in the future. You can either send that email broadcast to all of your subscribers in the list, or you can just send it to a range of subscribers. So for example, if I just wanted to send it to the first 100 people, I can choose like 0 to 100. Lastly, you can save your email broadcast if you're not really sure what to do with it for now, and then you can send it again later. If you do that, it will appear under the Schedule tab. So now I have the scheduled tab selected. You can see the email broadcast that I've scheduled. I have the ability to delete or edit that specific email creative. Similarly, I have a history tab where I have all the emails that I've sent in the past, and there I can edit those by clicking on edit, and then if of course I wanted to update them and send them again, I could do that as well. Let's take a look at the Autoresponder tab. An autoresponder is an email that you wrote that you want to be sent out sometime in the future at a predetermined interval. So if somebody fills out a form on your website, you can build an automated sales follow-up process that sends them an email that you wrote, let's say on the first day, the 5th day, the 7th day, the 14th day, so on and so forth. So to add a new autoresponder, you can click Add Autoresponder, and then you would just simply create the email that you want to send and then specify the interval at which you want to send it. And then if you go back to Autoresponder, you can see I've already set up 4 emails that go out. One goes out immediately, one goes out 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. Of course, you can edit or delete any of those emails in your autoresponder. That's a very helpful follow-up sales tool, so I highly recommend you take advantage of that. Let's click on the Settings tab. Here you can find the name that you're sending from, the email that you're sending from on an account-wide basis. You can set your time zone, and then you can also choose whether you'd like your subscribers to be sent a confirmation email that they would need to click to confirm that they'd like to be added into your list. That can cut down on spam and improve your delivery rates. Let's jump over to the WebStarts page editor, and I'll show you how you can specify in a form the exact list you want a subscriber to go into. So I'm just going to close out the app. I'm going to click on Edit Site. And then on my home page, I have a form right here. So I select it. I click Edit Form. I click Form Settings. And then under Form Settings, you'll find Mailing List. And then there's a drop-down menu. Under the drop-down menu, you'll find all the list names that you created in your email marketing app. So for this form, I'm sending people into my contacts email list. So whenever somebody comes to my website, they enter their email address into this form, and then their email address is automatically subscribed to both my autoresponder and my contacts email list. So if we go back into the app, once that person has filled out that form, they become one of these subscribers to this list, and then they receive the autoresponder I set up for that contacts list. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you sign up for the email marketing app. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com, not only to create your very own free website, but get all the things you need to run a successful online business. Thanks for watching.